Damn, baby, you hear that? Sounds of love making. Is you a Zodiac freak? Talk to me, Aristotle. I'm about to sing it. I'm about to wing it. Dog days of time, baby. Yeah. It's your boy, Dog Diesel. Signs of love making. Is you a Zodiac freak? Girl, you a sin for me. Signs of love making. Whoa, hold up. Signs of love making. Signs of love making. Is you a Zodiac freak? Hey. Signs of love making. Is you a Zodiac freak? Little mama, cause you a sin for me. Talk to them, Dog Diesel. Yeah. Signs of love making, baby, you a Zodiac freak. Baby, it's your boy D.O.P.E. Talk to him. Love making, is you a Zodiac freak, girl, you was in. Talk to him, Dog Diesel. Yeah, nigga, it's your boy Dopeboydre. Holographic, hold up. What's your sign? What's your size? Is you a Libra, baby? Can I tip that scale, baby? This is the signs of love making. What the fuck is a sign? I be like, signs of love making. Is you a Zodiac free, la mama? Cause you were a sin for me. Is you evil, baby? Signs of love making. Sounds, baby, of love making, baby. Hear the sounds, baby. What the fuck was that? Hold up. Sounds of love making. Talk to them, Dog Diesel. Baby, you a freaky, love free, baby, underneath those sheets. Sounds of, these are the sounds of love making. Is you a Zodiac free? Baby girl, you a sin for me. Sounds of love making. Is you a Zodiac free, la mama? Cause girl, you a sin for me. It's your boy Dopeboydre, La Mexico. These are the sounds of love making. These are the sounds of love making. These are the sounds of love making. Baby, you a Zodiac freak. It's your boy, Mr. 6 Hoes and Yolas, my nigga. Who it is? Oh yeah, these are the sounds of holographic, my nigga. We out.